Not all tooling is the same. I cut this rotor with brand new tool bits. That's the skinny one that's most common, and here's a thicker one. Okay, the thicker one left a cleaner, smoother finish than the thinner one did. Both of them are pretty good looking cuts. This is a really nice machine. It works really good. Both tool bits are brand new. So we have a direct side-by-side comparison. The cut went perfectly as it should. Everything was fine. But we have a difference in quality of cut based on that contact point right there and right there not being the same. This one left a better cut than that one. And that's all there is to it. Thanks. Look out for more videos. Hit like and subscribe. I'll have more brake lathe tips and tricks videos coming out shortly. Thanks.